To make your own skull drawing, first draw a faint circle on a piece of paper. Draw a vertical line and a horizontal line through the center of the circle to make guidelines for the skull's main features. Then draw two hexagons below the horizontal line, one in each bottom quarter of the circle. These will be the eye sockets. Next, sketch the nose cavity on the vertical line between the two eye sockets. Draw the angular outline of the sides of the skull. Then draw the upper teeth along the bottom of the circle. Now draw the outline of the jaw coming down off of the sides of the skull. For the final touches, shade in the nose and eye cavities and erase the guidelines. Finish your skull drawing by shading it in to add more depth.